Wow. Nope, that ain't coming out. But today, what we are going to do is we are going to do a versus video between the Milwaukee and the DeWalt. Now, I looked through all of my videos today, and I only did one versus video between Milwaukee and DeWalt. Now, and that was from the M12 Fuel Impact versus the Extreme Impact, both 12-volt systems. This is my first Milwaukee versus DeWalt in the 20 and 18 volt line. So this is going to be a good one. We're going to start off with the Milwaukee. The model number for this is 2853-20. Fuel, a 1/4-inch hex impact driver. This is supposed to be the best on the market, which I believe it. We are going to prove that today. We are going to use 6 amp hour battery high output for the Milwaukee. And this is 4 speed settings and a screw. It is on speed 3 right now. This only gives the specs on speed 3. It is 0 to 4,300 impacts per minute and 0 to 3,600 RPM. So this is going to be a good one. 1/4-inch hex. And yes, we are going to have a good time with this. So for the DeWalt, this is model number DCF887. 3 speed settings, goes to screw to then 2, then 3. And then the model number, so then the RPMs for this is on speed 1, 0 to 1,000, speed 2, 0 to 2,800 on speed 3, 0 to 3,250. And so this is approximately, all right, so the when it comes to specs, Milwaukee takes the cake. The impacts per minute is 3,800 on the DeWalt, and on the Milwaukee it is 4,300. Wow, it is 500 impacts more than the DeWalt, and it is 350 more RPMs than the DeWalt. Wow. So according to specs, Milwaukee should take the cake on this one. So make sure when you work, make sure you wear gloves and safety glasses. Come on, right here. All right, so when it comes to this, we are not going to waste too much time. The main event is going to be lag screws, but we are going to do 2 Timberlock screws each. We will be using Hilti hex sockets. Now, is this collet push-in? Yes, it is. Fantastic. It's on speed 3. Battery is 4. We are using the 6 amp hour high output for the Milwaukee and the 6 amp hour flex volt for the DeWalt. All right, so ready, go. Time. Is the collet pushing? Yes, it is. The collet is pushing. All right, 6 amp hour flex volt battery is full. It's on speed 3. All right, so ready, go. Time. Let's do one more for Milwaukee. All right, so ready, go. Time. Oop, I messed up. We got to bring that out a little bit. Hopefully it's not too late. There we go. That's good. Last one for the DeWalt. All right, so ready, go. All right, so Milwaukee is going to take DeWalt's out, and DeWalt is going to take Milwaukee's out. We're doing both at once. I am not going to stop the timer. I'll only stop the timer if I trip up and I don't take that out immediately. All right, so ready, go. Time. All right, DeWalt's turn. Speed 3. Battery is still full. And the battery is still full on the 6 amp hour. High output. All right, so ready, go. Time. Like I said, what we are going to do is we are going to do one 4-inch, one 6-inch, and one 10-inch lag each. Now these are big wigs, so both of these should be able to do the 10-inch with no issue whatsoever. In a video I filmed, but I am not going to upload it just because it's an unboxing all that I've already done. It was the $150 kit for this with a 5 amp hour battery, charger, bag, and the tool. But I broke the Makita from 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch hex adapter. Ooh, that Makita broke. And so now we're going to use Milwaukee's for now on. See how long Milwaukee lasts. Alright, so Milwaukee actually goes first. And Tack Life impact rated sockets, I'm still using them. It's been months upon months. And the inside still looks darn good. Alright, so we're going to start off right here. For each thing, I'm going to try to keep them within the same ring. Alright, so we are good to go. Ready? Go. Time. Take that out a smidge. There we go. Alright, it is DeWalt's turn. Not too shabby at all. Yep, 4-inch. Gonna do it right here. Ready? Go. Time. Very, very good. Alright, so we're gonna do these right here next to each other. Move over a little bit. Alright, so ready? Go. Not too shabby. We're going to do this one right here. Alright, so ready? Go. Not too shabby. Now I feel the Milwaukee dominated on that one. Alright, so let's rotate this. We're going to do the 10-inch right there. He is first. Once again, the battery is full. Yep, this is a long one. Alright, so ready, go. That is unbelievable. Let's hope DeWalt could live up to this challenge. DeWalt's battery is still full. Alright, so ready, go. Time. Alrighty, so that's that. Let me go check on the wife to see if she's okay with me doing this right now. Alright, so I got the okay from my wife that what I'm doing is not affecting her work. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take out a 4, 6, and then 10 at once per tool and see what the time is between them both when it comes to an ultimate stress test. And they also are going to take out each other's bolts. So the first one I put in is Milwaukee's and the second one is DeWalt's. So this one takes out the second one. Alright, so ready, go. Wow. Alrighty. Wow, that's cutting itself off. I might need to use a impact wrench for that. Let's try a little bit more. What's the battery at? Battery is full. No, it's tool's cutting itself off. All right, so we're gonna take this one out and see if it's capable of doing it. All right, so ready, go. All right, time. All right, now I love it when this happens. YouTube Gold. Let's see if the DeWalt could redeem. All right, so ready, go. Nope, that ain't coming out. That ain't coming out. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna take. We're going to have to use the impact wrench and take this out. So ready, go. That one was in there. All right, so actually I still need that, because what we're gonna do is we are gonna actually put this back in. Ooh, that is hot. We're gonna put this back in. Do it right here. All right, because both of them failed to take that one out, so we're going to put this in right here. Time. All right, so let's bring this back out. All right, so it's going to do a 4, 6, and then 10. All right, so ready, go. That was a tough cookie. Now, based on what I just witnessed and felt, the results are there, though. The time is there, But that just proves to show you that the most powerful impact, which this is the second time I've proven this, doesn't always mean it will get the job done. Now, both of these companies have their own specialty tools when it comes to certain stuff. Well, I'll give an example. I strongly believe, that the DeWalt hammer drill will dominate the Milwaukee hammer drill. I believe this one, the DeWalt, would win when it comes to these two, which this is coming, by the way. Let's do a quick temperature reading. The Milwaukee, 88 degrees, 115 degrees. The DeWalt got up to 115 degrees. So the Milwaukee ran significantly cooler, which I feel it's actually getting warmer. No, the same, 84 degrees. That's pretty much it. I know you guys are probably, some of you guys are probably stuck in your houses unwillingly, and I'm sorry for that. And so I hope that this video helps entertain you a little bit, at least past 10 to 20 minutes. So that's pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.